I'm pretty excited that I got this card so quickly. Today I'll be unboxing the EVGA Geforce GTX 980. Hell yeah! And by the way, in addition to the graphics card, we got Mavi over there and Goosey right there being cool kitty cats. Before I start up this unboxing, like I always do, I talk about Cutting Edge Gamer not because I get money off my graphics cards by doing that, which by the way I do. So if you check out the link in the description, it actually does help me out. It makes me, allows me to make more unboxing videos, which is awesome. But on top of that, Cutting Edge Gamer is actually like a great value. You pay monthly for graphics cards, and actually if you get all the way to the end of your lease, if you pay the 13th month after your 12-month lease, then you actually get to keep the graphics card, which is a lot better than like if you were to like lease a car and then like you have to give the car back at this shit. Like no, with the graphics cards you just keep that stuff because you paid for it. So it's a lot, I mean it's definitely a different type of leasing program than like leasing cars and shit like that. On top of that, if your car breaks, they handle the RMA themselves, so you don't have to deal with that crap. And I don't know, all that cool stuff. There's more features like free shipping and stuff like that. You can upgrade whenever you want, which is awesome because, you know, this is a Geforce GTX 980, and the one before this was like the 780 and the 780 Ti. As far as I know, those came out like last year, so that's, you know, if you paid for that card last year, through Cutting Edge Gamer, you would actually own it, and now you can start up a new Cutting Edge Gamer cycle with the 980 if you want to. I guess you don't really have to. But the thing about graphics cards is they're coming out so often, so I mean, Cutting Edge Gamer is really great value. Anyways, let's move on. So this unboxing video, as you can see, 4GB GDDR5, pretty sweet. I think that's pretty much the same as the 780 Ti. From what I've seen, this card is very similar to the 780 Ti, but it uses a lot less power, which by the way, we might as well move into this stuff if we're going to be talking about power right now. So as you can see, 500 watts or greater power supply. That is incredible. This is like the flagship Geforce Nvidia card. So for 500 watts, that is crazy because I'm pretty sure the 780 Ti requires 600 watts, which is pretty sweet because this card's actually a little bit faster depending which game you played on. Supports PCI Express 1, 2, and 3, but it's probably best on 3. Needs 2 6-pin power or like PCI Express additional power connectors, which really isn't too bad. Internet access required for driver download. Maybe that doesn't come with the disc then. But it requires, it's compatible with Windows 8 7 Vista XP. Cool stuff. By the way, also another quick note. I noticed this down here, Game Stream, which is cool. I think that has stuff to do with the GeForce experience and everything. GameWorks, not really sure. G-Sync, that is awesome if you have a G-Sync monitor, which I unfortunately don't. But if you do, then like the frame rate and like there's no clipping and like shit like that, it's awesome. But I noticed this, DirectX 12. As far as I know, I mean, I don't want to like sound like a total noob right now, but I'm pretty sure we're still on DirectX 11 right now. But apparently this supports DirectX 12. I think we're on like a DirectX 11.1 or 2. But anyways, DirectX 12, we are getting ready for it, and I think it's coming out pretty soon. Anyways, you know, some other EVGA is #1 shit. I don't really think EVGA is #1, but they're, you know, they're pretty good. I noticed this back here, it supports 4 concurrent displays, which is cool, but once you look at the display, it has 5 display ports, so why doesn't it support 5? I don't get it, but anyways, let's just crack this thing open. I know you guys want to see what's inside. And by the way, while I'm opening this up, this is the Superclocked edition. It's not going to make any difference on the look of the box, but it is faster, so that's cool. Cutting Edge Gamer has the Superclocked models. Actually, I think they ran out as the time I made this video, but we got a poster, which EVGA does pretty oftenly. I don't know if it's the same one that they always give. I think it's a little bit different. It's EVGA Art of the Game. I don't know what game this is for. Maybe just some stuff EVGA made. We got a little QR code right there, but that's cool, I guess. Kind of nice little additions. Kind of looks fucking scary to me, though, but whatever. Like you wake up at night, what the fuck is this shit? Also on top of that, user guide. Sweet. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use the user guide. Important notice. Get the drivers. Yo, dog. Although, go to EVGA. I always just go to Nvidia.com to get the drivers, personally. Some more instructions on the displays and shit like that. And some stickers. Aw, shit, son. Enthusiast built. I don't know why I couldn't pronounce that. That's cool. Oh, look at this. An EVGA badge. Oh, dude, that's fucking awesome. That is. worthwhile right there. Holy crap, that is awesome. Man, that is sweet. I mean, it's something little, but I like that kind of stuff. Here's a 2 4-pin Molex connectors, which is kind of hard to see, but it's going to a 6-pin. I'm guessing we get 2 of those, so it's just the same thing twice. And then we have a display, or actually not a display, what am I saying? It's a DVI to VGA, because the DVI port on there is interlaced, so you can do analog or digital, which is cool. But here is the card. Man, does this thing look fucking sweet. Oh, snap. Dog. This thing, oh shit. Okay, so as you can see, the GTX 980 is blacked out, like, I think they started doing that with like the 780s or something, 780 Ti's maybe. There's the PCI Express thing. Man, this thing is just cool. Oh man, snap. There's just so many stuff to look at. But let's get down to business. So let's start off with the display ports and everything, which by the way has like the same back, I don't know what it's called, back plate as like the GTX Titans. Obviously it's only a dual slot as you can see, but it's like the same triangle shit like that. So that's kind of cool. DVI right there. Full-size display port, full-size HDMI, full-size display, I think. Actually, I think I got that wrong. This one right here is an HDMI and all the other ones are displays. But that's cool. Display port, I think it's like 1.2 from what I've heard in other videos, and HDMI is 2.0, I think. But that's kind of cool. Definitely, it just looks awesome, don't you guys think? Damn. Of course, just getting a good look at it. Of course, this is the just the Nvidia cooler, which I still think is awesome personally. Got that sweet blower design, which will push the air out of the case for the most part. So that's kind of good if you have like, especially like a smaller case that doesn't have really great cooling. There's a little open vent back there, which is sweet. So it looks like the aluminum fins are goose. My fucking cat is going, damn it, cat. He's gonna ruin this unboxing video, so sorry about that, guys. But it looks like the aluminum fins are like dyed black here, which is kind of cool. I like that a lot, especially it kind of matches like the GTX 980. I think that looks pretty sweet in my opinion. There's the Geforce GTX logo right there, which probably lights up, I'm guessing. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but I'm pretty sure. And like you can do like wave effects and like breathing and shit like that. It's kind of cool. This actually feels a little bit different from the other reference cards. Like this feels like grippy right here almost. I don't remember that from other cards. Moving over to the supplementary power, there's 2 6-pins, pretty general stuff, but like on the 780 Ti, I think it had an 8-pin and a 6-pin, so this one's obviously probably has more performance, and it's uses less power, which probably means it gets stays cooler. Here we got an SLI bridge, which has 2 bridges on it. No, probably should put that in the shot, I guess. But probably supports forward cards. I have no idea, but I'm just guessing at this point. That's cool. I like that it comes with that little cover on it. Looks pretty fucking sweet, and it says EVGA on it. Oh shit, son, that's crazy. But yeah, cool stuff. Oh, and another big thing about this card is the backplate, which is awesome. I love the backplate. They try to make it apparently thin enough so like you can have this card in SLI without them touching each other. But I like that a lot. It looks like, I forget what this piece is about, but it has something to do with SLI. You can like take this off or something like that. But anyways, that looks like a great backplate. I like that a lot. I like backplates. I will say though, I kind of wish they went like with the whole AMD idea. Because on the 290X, if you guys remember, on those graphics cards, you can bridge the cards via just the PCI Express lanes. I kind of wish they went with that on this because I think that's kind of cool. It's less clutter and everything, but hopefully Nvidia will at least do that next time around. So once again, there is a look. I got a little bit of heat on there, so don't want to get it smudged up or anything. But this card looks fucking sweet. Goose is once again ruining my unboxing video. Try to get like Goose and the graphics card in the shot. Oh yeah, look at that. GTX 980, woo! Anyways, thanks for checking out this unboxing video, guys. Hopefully you liked it. What are you doing, Goosey? What are you doing? Remember, check out Cutting Edge Gamer because they are fucking awesome. Check out the link in the description because that does help me out. Allows me to afford these graphics cards a little bit better, but once again, this graphics card actually isn't too much. So check out Cutting Edge Gamer. It's actually a really fucking great deal. Drop a like on the unboxing if you liked it, and I'll see you crazy motherfuckers later. Peace out.